Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing month 3 with Avery Lane Creations, right? I keep saying collection. It's not a collection, it's creations. Maybe I'm wrong. I've gotten it wrong repeatedly. All right, you guys. So what did we get in month 2? As I said before in the previous 2 unboxings, these are being sent to me by Nikki. So while this is an unbiased review and unboxing series, I am getting the boxes for free. But we got a little, this one is called a skein coat. A little jacket. We got a patch for our finished objects. We got a tea, which I am always down for tea. As I've said, I do enjoy my teas. We got the candle, which still smells amazing. Like I said, it smells a little bit like a hippie shop, but floral. Not like a hippie shop. And our yarn was this beautiful green, speckledy, multicolored yumminess. And this is the color Dirty Little Secret. Now, as tends to happen with these review series, I have not finished month 2's project yet. I hit a point where I was cruising, and now we're on to a different section of this shawlette, and I haven't done the next section. It's getting the next row done is where I got stalled. But I haven't been rushing my project. I'm really enjoying working with this yarn, and I'm really loving how the colors are turning out in this. Like when this is blocked out and everything, this is just going to be, I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It's like confetti sprinkles on a green base, and it just makes me very happy. And as you're working it and you come across the little color change, speckledy spots and stuff. Now, as I said before, one of the focuses with Avery Lane is crocheters, making beautiful hand-dyed yarns for crocheters. So these yarns really are showing up beautiful in these crochet stitches, and that is why I'm trying to stick to the crochet patterns. Now, I did request the single skein DK weight box, but you can choose between fingering, DK, worsted. I can't remember if there's bulky or not. I didn't write that down on my notes. The boxes like this are $39 a month. The 2 Hank Premium with a special premium gift as well is $71 a month. So let's crack on to this month's box. Oh, and the pattern that I'm working on, the pattern that I'm doing is... Sorry, I'm trying to not wiggle my screen too much, but I got lots going on. It is the Mexican Mentaleta by Entrelac Cat. But I printed it in black and white, so I don't know how much you can see. There's the center section, which I've already done, and then it actually changes directions for the outer V. And that's where I'm trying to do the setup row. That's like where I am. I've tried to start it a couple of times and messed it up. Not because the pattern's poorly written or anything, just because I am blonde to the brains. It happens. Happens to the best of us. Happens to the worst of us. I will need this. And I gotta figure out which way is the first page on this. First page, where are you? We did get a pattern this month. If you are a member of Avery Lane Collections subscription Facebook group, we got a copy of her new pattern. And I actually have yarn caked up for this. Well, because I'm getting the DK weight, I'm not using her yarn for it. I am using some yarn that I dyed myself. So that is the, those are the cabbage rose yarns that I dyed last year. But I've got that in my, I'd already planned on doing that. That was, everything's just sitting in a box together so I could tote it around the house easily. It's convenient. All right. So I averaged that as being like a $4.50 pattern. I did not look on her website what she charges for her patterns, but I am still trying to keep on the average of what pattern values are if you were to do a purchase paid for pattern. I know a lot of people are down with the free patterns. I do a lot of free patterns. There's nothing wrong with that. But when a designer gives you a pattern, there is generally a cost associated to it. We got a Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast hand sanitizer. Right now, still down with the hand sanitizer. So this is $1.60. There is a 5-pack for $8 on bathandbodyworks.com. The last extra is this bag from Threaded Pear. I think this is the cosmetics bag, but I'm not entirely sure. And that is $15.99. And it has a little attached, it pops on and off, snaps on and off, little pouch that's inside of it. I have a very similar bag to this that I've used for projects in the past, and I absolutely love it. And it has a little needle case or hook case that you can just slip your stuff inside of. But one of the things I love about these, so these will stand up on their own. So if you're using a larger cake, like in the case of this subscription box where we have the DK weight cake, and you want to have your cake sit nicely and work on it, one of the things I love about these bags is the way they roll down and actually stay open. They don't flop on top of themselves. But if you just want to use this for the accessories that you're, like say you're going away for a week or two and you're taking a lot of hooks, you're taking a lot of stitch markers with you, scissors, just giblet-y, random-y little bits, you have the option down here with the belted loops and the little, oh, this one, yeah, it does. I was like, I thought I had a net pouch. Little net pouches in the bottom here. So when you roll it down, I don't have a hook nearby, but like if you're doing makeup, that's where you would put like your brushes and stuff. But when you roll it down, like your hook presumably is a little bit taller than my lip gloss is, but it'll be right there at easy access with your cake in the middle. So I do really, actually I do have a hook. Really like these bags. I like the style on these bags. I have the hook from my box. But like, say you get your hook, you get a little pin, put your little cake of yarn down in there, and everything's just easy reach when you're using these. And if with the little snap bag, you can just flip everything out. I generally tuck this on top of whatever's in there. And then that just kind of sits on the top there. Boom. I don't know why these are so convenient. I don't know why I spent that much time talking about a bag to you guys, but I really do enjoy these bags, the style of bag. And I think they're very convenient. They're very easy to use, and they're very useful to have, especially, like I said, if you're traveling with your work. I think it's convenient. And I do like the addition of the little pouchy pouch. So where you can just slip your little hooks in there and everything's nice, neat, tidy, and ready to go. I think that's part of it. I just really like things being nice, neat, and tidy. So the last thing in our box, I will not forget this month, but we have this amazing yarn. This is Braless by 9. Definitely a Carrie name and a Carrie colorway. I don't know how, I've got a little bit of glare on my glasses, so I can't quite tell how well the oranges are popping. There's a good spot. So we've got this nice, real deep tangerine-y orange with the fuchsia and the little purple indigo pops, speckly specks. Kind of wish I'd gotten a second skein of this because I think this might need to be a larger project for me. Right? I mean, it's just, it screams my loud and obnoxious self. My wardrobe is very basic. My accessories are very obnoxious. But yeah, love the yarn. Once again, love the name. Love the speckling. Love the little bits of fadey fades in there. Breaking it up. This is going to, once again, crochet beautifully. Like I said, Nikki focuses a lot on crocheting. She is a crocheter. So having a dyer that is focusing on the needs of a crocheter, it is a little bit different, and it can be a little bit hard to find yarns that crochet very well that are hand dyed, because so many things are done in a short striping pattern or in these blocks that just don't lend themselves very well to crocheting. But I've been very lucky in the last 2 hand dyed boxes because the yarns have crocheted beautifully as well as knitting beautifully. So there we go. That is this month's yarn. I may have to reach out and see if I can get a second skein, but obviously I will purchase a second skein. But I do really, really love this. Cannot wait to see what I do with this. It might have to be another of the Mexican manteleta patterns because I'm really enjoying how that looks. But both. So $30 for the hank of yarn, $1.60 for the sanitizer. The bag, I forgot to tell you, is $14.99 on their, I think it's out of stock on their website, but in stock on their Etsy site. And like I said, I think this is the cosmetic bag. I'm not 100% sure. The pattern, the average for bandana style cowls like that is $4.50 based on 5 patterns that I just took an average of. So our total value for this box is $51.09. That's a savings of 24% because this is the base box. This is the bog standard here. So that's actually a significant savings percentage. Like I said, my general thought is 20 to 25%, especially if they're using big box yarns, as this is an independent hand dyer. And all of these have been curated extras here. We're not getting, you know, like the Dollar Tree, you know, plastic cup or something. Everything in this has been a curated concept. I'm really enjoying that. Everything we've gotten is very high quality, very nice quality. I like I mean, I'm always going to be down for a project bag or a cosmetics bag. I just think they're very convenient, very useful things. Things like the skein cozy where we can keep our yarns together. I think those are useful things that we're going to use over and over again, and we're not falling into the standard, here's a stitch marker, here's some yarn, here's a pattern, go. It's interesting to see what we're getting every time. The concept of the entire box is well thought out and planned every month. So I'm enjoying that a lot. You know, I'm a sucker for a theme. And while everything does kind of like it seems disjointed, champagne toast, sitting at home braless at 9 o'clock with a very convenient bag to put your project in, to me, does work together. And we have a nice champagne peach, like mimosa peach. So I like it. Once again, love the yarn. Might need an extra skein of it just because. I mean, we can do a larger project that way. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. This should be going up today. Today is Thursday. I'm actually filming on the day it's going up again. This got here late yesterday. I hopefully will have another package coming later on. I'm going to go get my lunch. We'll worry about the other package later. But right now, loving the box, loving where we're going. Cannot wait to finish this green chalette because I do have a dress that this would look phenomenal with. And now that we're officially in springtime, I'm ready for some more obnoxious colors to come out. and not everything be, you know, a gray or black base with some obnoxious pops. Like black dress with obnoxious cowl is a little bit more my... Anyway, you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Check out the links in the description box down below, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye, guys.